स्मॉल स्केल और ये हमने देखा. And thereafter we have been able to see in 1814 to 1816 the first Anglo-Nepali war, first क्या एक ही हुआ Anglo-Nepali war, and that is also known as Gorkha war. याद है गोरे लोग कैसे बनते हैं, क्या खाकर? चलो, और वैसे भी नेपाली गोरे साग खा के बनते हैं. Sagauli, Treaty of. So I said that they have done the war, and then whole Uttarakhand, the Garhwal and Kumaon, that has been taken, and also Sikkim Darjeeling region was also in the West Bengal, जो आज के डेट में Darjeeling है, this has been taken also, and some Tarai region, and it has been finished with the battle of finished the Treaty of Sagauli. And then thereafter what has been taken place? Battle of Third Anglo-Maratha War in 1817 to 1818, and it has been fight at three places: Pune, Nagpur or Indore. And in the Pune, that is in a battle of Khadki. In the Pune, what I said, that battle of, and in the Nagpur, battle of Sitabaldi. याद है ना? Indore, Holkar, होल हाथ में कर में क्या लगा है? Mahidipur, battle of Mahidipur. And this is the time when the Maratha has been completely finished. और इसी के बाद यहाँ से उठाकर कहाँ डाल दिया गया था इन्हें? कानपुर. Understood it? They have been on a pension. पेशवा को, और अदर को नहीं, पेशवा. And who has not had? Sindhia. Next point we have been able to see, I said. उसके बाद हम आ गए Mr. I said 1823 to 1828 Amherst. 1823 to 1828. अब हमने क्या बोला? हंसोगे तो M रखोगे, और M से हंसोगे इसका, और W band को आगे बढ़ाना होगा आपको. So Amherst. And during the Amherst period, what we have seen? Yes, tell me. Anglo-Burmese War 24 to 26, in which Arakan and Tenasserim region has been taken. Understood? Anglo-Burmese War 1824 to 1826. That is okay. Now 1828 to 1835. During that, Governor General of Bengal became the last Governor General of Bengal, William Bentinck, and he was the first Governor General of India, William Bentinck. I said, and it has been done through which? It has been done through which? 1833 Charter Act. In the 1833 Charter Act, monopoly has been completely finished. Yes, and then we have been able to see the first time that a competitive exam has been given, and then who stopped it? Yes, an idea of doctrine of lapse. It was given by, yes, tell me, Court of Directors, but it has been implemented by whom? And then we have been able to see, for I said during that period, क्या हम लोग और देखे थे? Yes, tell me. Yes, centralization. क्या बोला था हमने? Legislative centralization, executive centralization, and all the power, legislative and executive power of what? Whom? Madras Presidency. जब Governor General of India बन रही, it means there is a power has been cut at that time. Understood? And one more point हमने discuss किया था. क्या था वो? हाँ? वो तो अलग point है. इसमें ये हाँ, economic crisis has been brought down. Understood? By the removing some extra unwanted officials and all. Then we have seen the two socio-religious reform. And which socio-religious reform we have seen? Important, Sati system, and then Thuggy system. And Thuggy system के लिए किसको याद रखते हैं हम? Sleeman. Understood? And अभी एक और चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा था, मैं दिमाग से निकल गया. One more member added in the as a law member in the executive council. And then अगला अभी जो वो याद आ रहा था वो दिमाग में निकल गया. बोलते बोलते दिमाग में कड़ियाँ चलते रहती हैं. हाँ, जब बताया नहीं तो तुम कहाँ से बताओगे? बोलते रहूँगा, आ जाएगा. कहाँ पे थे हम? And he was in a very good portion, yes. And then 36 to then 1835 to 1836, we have been able to see विलियम बहन. और विलियम बहन क्या कर रही हैं? 4 लोगों से मीट कर रही हैं. चार्ल्स मेटकैफ है. एंड देन 4 लोगों से मीट कर रही हैं, तो 4 लोग जो कर रहे हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं? यस टेल मी। आका से मिल रही थी, ऑकलैंड। तो 1835 to 36 हमने किसको देखा? And then he did several reforms, but he left and resigned the job. The reason behind the dispute between court of directors and what? Charles Metcalfe. Thereafter coming of what? Auckland, 1836 to Akka, 1836 to 1842. और इसमें हमने क्या बोला था? He is the person who tried to do what I said, that expansion of commercialization in India. And thereafter 1842 to 1844. It is in a, तो आका लोग अब क्या बोलते हैं? लोन लो भाई, बोरो करो, लोन बोरो करो। एलन ब्रो 1842 to 1844, एलन ब्रो, and then he has then come to India for the bringing peace in Asia, and then throughout his all the tenure it was involved in what? War. Thereafter we have been able to see 1844 to 1848 there is he is famous for Anglo-Sikh war, better to say I said that, and थोड़ा सा हमने chronology बताया of the Sikh. I said that Ranjit Singh, और रंजीत सिंह 1839 में मर गए थे after the death. There is a coming of, I said, रंजीत सिंह जहाँ भी खड़े हो जाते हैं वो चाहे नानी का घर हो शेर बन जाते हैं. Yes or not? खड़क सिंह, नौनिहाल सिंह, शेर सिंह, and then दलीप सिंह. Understood? And then 1845 to 1846 first Anglo-Sikh war took place, and in the first Anglo-Sikh war I said that मुडकी, नीचे दिखा मुड किया अली का ना, फिरोज का और अली का, क्या करेंगे? सबको रुलाएंगे. मुडकी, फिरोज शाह, अलीवार, मुडकी, फिरोज शाह, अलीवार. अंडरस्टूड? अलीवाल and then सोबराव, ये 4 हुए, and after that finished with the Treaty of Lahore. Understood? Then coming of Dalhousie, and then Dalhousie was famous for which I said that? Doctrine of lapse. Understood? And through the doctrine of lapse, first he annexed Satara in 1848, and 49 में जैतपुर and Sambalpur, and in 1853 Nagpur and I said that Jhansi and Gwalior, and thereafter I said that in 1854 it is Tanjore and Arcot in Tamil Nadu, and 1855 it is Udaipur and Jodhpur, and 1856 it is Awadh. Understood? And then it is an Awadh ko, it is on the basis of mismanagement of the governance, he is not able to rule, therefore it has been removed. Then we have been able to see, I said that 1853 Charter Act. In the 1853 Charter Act, CD importance has been removed, and then first time the जो वहाँ पे law member has been introduced, is what is temporary, it has been made permanent. And then 1 lakh rupees has been utilized for the, here it is, and therefore university के लिए बनाया जाने लगा, University of Calcutta, Bombay, Madras and all. Yes, able to see. And then these are the points we have seen. And then several railway, roads, transportation, communication, telegraph, postal, so many things that he has done. So keep on revising, क्योंकि ये facts लेके चलेंगे. अगला और भी facts है, क्योंकि आप ये देख रहे हैं कि इसी से आपका answer बनेगा. Understood? If you want to perform exceptionally in the paper 1, if you want to get 130, 140 around, होता क्या है? आपको मेंस में यदि आप 450 लेकर आते हो जीएस पेपर 1 से लेकर जीएस पेपर 4, उसके बाद आ जाता है आपका अराउंड 300 यदि आप लेकर आते हो किस में? ऑप्शनल में. ऑप्शनल बहुत ध्यान देना है. ऐसे में अराउंड 150 और समथिंग 160 आपके ऊपर है. यहीं पर आप कितने पहुंच गए? आपको समझ में आ रहा है? 900. अब आपको किस में रोल करना है? प्ले इंटरव्यू टॉपर्स में. तो धीरे धीरे हर एक सेक्शन का एक अपना स्ट्रैटेजी होना चाहिए. अंडरस्टूड इट? सो हम लोग कहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं? बिफोर 1857, एंड अगला जो स्टार्ट होगा हमारा कैनिंग से स्टार्ट होगा. अंडरस्टूड? ऑन मंडे. सो विल मीट.